These high temperature thermometers are pretty handy. They're useful for everything from candy to syrups to jellies to soap. People use them for deep fryers as well. So some of the features that make them handy are this piece of wood that's on the clip, so they're going to get pretty hot. This gives you a way to hold on to it. It's easy to read. The numbers are pretty clear. They give you some cheats in here for the different types of candy and the different temperature ranges there, as well as for fish frying and donuts and that kind of thing. Easy to read. They can cloud up. It's pretty simple. It's just a glass thermometer with the high temperature thermometer in there. But aside from just the general, if there's steam or something coming off of what you're cooking, you can wipe that off usually. They clean well. They come in this kind of protective sleeve that gives you all kinds of temperature ranges for everything from fried food to the candies and things. This way you can store it easily and doesn't get hurt in the drawer or wherever you're keeping it. These are great gift ideas. They can get damaged, so no one's going to complain if you get an extra one. High temperature thermometers for the kitchen. Hope this helps.